Hello everybody, welcome to Broadstairs on what feels like the hottest day of the year. Phew, we've been trying to keep cool all day. But anyway, how appropriate that we've got the latest Tree of Life here. I know you've seen this lots of times before, it's my best seller, and I think it's simply because it's so cheerful. And the gold gives it a very Byzantine look. The gold comes from Venice and it's still made the same way. Then we've got the birds, of course, I think possibly nearly 100. The sound effects, I think that's a crow. There isn't a crow in this, but anyway, we can hear him anyway. Right, so that one is the seagull. Oh no, it's not, it's another crow. Okay, we've called this the Tree of Expectancy because of the egg about to hatch, I think. So, as usual, we've got a verse which goes like this. Look at this egg sitting in its nest. It's really splendid, simply the best. It's so ginormous, unlike any other. Surely none of these birds could be the mother.